Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Pasensya na kayo, minamalat ako. So for today's video, gumawa ako ng simple call driver na malimit namin na-encounter sa trabaho. So binago ko na lang yung company name, syempre para for the ano na natin. Kasi baka may mga rules na bawal nating gamitin sa ating mga personal na ano tong sa social media tong ating company. So, binago natin yung ilang details dito. But this is the common call drivers na na-encounter namin. So, sana may matutunan kayo dito. At pasensya na kayo ha, hindi pa ako ganun ka-expert because 2 months pa lang naman ako dito nagsisimula and 1 month pa lang naman kami nagko-calls. So, hindi pa ako ganun ka-expert. Pero, pagtiyagaan nyo na tong, pagtiyagaan nyo na tong simple editing yan. Sana may matutunan din kayo. At sana kung may mga mali ako dito, paki-correct na lang ako sa comment down, sa comment box sa baba. Kasi, much appreciated ko kung i-correct niyo ako para sa susunod na mga video na gagawin ko is maitama ko na kung ano man yung mga maling grammar ko dito, 'di ba? Hindi naman tayo ganun ka-expert at hindi naman tayo talaga nag-aral ng English, kumbaga. Natutunan ko lang to based on my experience sa pakikipag-usap sa trabaho ko before nung OFW ako na language na gamit namin is English. So, pagtiyagaan nyo na tong aking ginawang video. Ayan. At para dun nga pala sa mga nag-comment, tsaka nag-message sa Facebook ko, thank you very much kasi na-appreciate nyo yung mga uploads ko before kahit hindi ako ganun kagaling mag-edit, hindi ako ganun kagaling mag-video, magsalita, is nagkaroon pa rin kayo ng inspiration para mag-apply. Yan, para sa mga kagaya kong walang experience at hindi ganun ka-confident mag-English. So, dito naman tayo. Yan. Ito naman. Panoodin nyo itong ginawa kong sample ng call driver. This is about replacement phone. Kasi malimit na may mga nagpapa-replace ng phone dito sa company. And ito yung common call driver na na-encounter namin. So, sana may mapulot kayo dito kahit papaano idea. At pasensya na kayo, hindi ganun kaganda yung boses ko sa calls. At hindi ako ganun kalalim mag-English. So, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo na dito sa company namin sa results is kahit hindi ganun ka-fluent, bibigyan kanila ng chance na matanggap, ma-hire para magkaroon ka naman ng change of career. Ayan. So, panoodin nyo na lang. Kakahiya. Sa totoo lang, nahiya ako. So, ito yung video. It's a great day here in Wireless Mobile. This is Leia, your expert for today. How can I make you smile?
Oh, hi, Leah. Can you please help me to activate my phone because I just received today my replacement phone and I don't know what to do about this. Can you please help me?
Yeah, definitely. I can help you about it. Let me pull up your account first so we can proceed to your concern. Can I have the phone number that you are calling in about?
Thank you. Okay, this is the number. It's 123-568-2973.
Got it? Okay, I got it. Thank you for that information. And also, may I ask what is the name on this account?
The name on the account is Debbie Gibson.
Thank you for that information. Can I call you Debbie?
Sure, you can call me on my first name.
Thank you very much, Debbie. Can I have also the 6-digit PIN on this account, please?
Yeah, sure. The PIN code is 652375.
Okay, thank you very much for that information. I just want to make sure that I have the correct number here. It's 652375, right?
Yes, that is correct.
Congratulations! Now I have successfully pulled up your account and I have another information to ask from you. Do you have the IMEI of this phone? And also, I would like to ask, are you calling from the same phone number?
I'm calling from my husband's phone and I have here the IMEI. Just tell me when you are ready to have it.
Wow, that's great. Okay, can I have the IMEI now? And may I ask, is the phone is turned off?
Okay, so this is the IMEI number. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Okay, thank you very much. I just want to make sure that I have the correct IMEI number, so I will repeat this number again. Can you please check if I got the correct number? Okay, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Yeah, he got it, dear. Thank you.
Okay, just give me 1 to 2 minutes and I will activate the phone now. I will give you a signal when to turn on the phone, okay?
Okay. I want to know how about the the old phone that I have here. What will I do with this? Should I return this one?
Thank you for asking that question. Yeah, definitely you have to return the old one. You see the envelope together with the package? Just put there the old phone and just drop it to any branch of FedEx. Okay, going back to the activated phone, can you please try to check if it's working now? Kindly turn it on and let's see if it's working, okay?
Yeah, okay now. So I already turned on my phone and I tried to make a phone call here. Yeah, and it's working. I can call now my friends. Thank you very much.
Wow, congratulations! So now you can use your phone for calling your friends and family. And let me educate you about this. There is a 2-hour provisioning time for that. You will receive a lot of notifications and text messages since it is a newly activated phone. And about your account here in Wireless Mobile, nothing has changed. Can still use the same phone number and your plan is still the same as your plan before. And also, I would like to remind you that the replacement phone has a 90 days warranty. So if you ever encountered any defect on the phone, call us back as soon as possible so we can replace it for free. Okay? Okay, Debbie. Is there any questions or anything else that I can help you with?
Oh, nothing else, Leah. Thank you very much for your help. I can now call my family and my friends. And thank you for helping me to activate my phone. I don't have any questions now. You've been a great help for me.
Oh, thank you very much for the appreciation. And also, I would like to remind you about that you can manage your account by just visiting our website. It's www.wirelessmobile.com. All you have to do is just log in your phone number as your username and your 6-digit PIN as your password. And also, there will be a quick survey after this call. I hope you do it for Wireless Mobile. Your feedback is much appreciated. I hope you stay on the line and do the quick survey. Have a great day.
Oh, sure, my dear. I'll be waiting for the survey. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I'll be transferring you now to the survey. Please stay on the line.